Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing my Apple Pencil. The iPad has not came yet, so I will record the unboxing of the iPad whenever it comes. So let's open up the box. Okay, so we have the pencil, so let's open it up. And then here is just the basic Apple stuff that no one's ever read, so we're going to set that aside. And then here is the pencil. It's really nice. And yeah, it's very lighter than I expected because on videos people said it was heavy. And it pretty much feels like you're just writing with a normal pencil and holding it like a normal pencil. So yeah, come back for the iPad unboxing. Hey guys, the iPad finally came with all the accessories. So we are going to start unboxing. I'm so excited. So let's get started. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. I got the 256 gigabytes one in pink iPad Air 5. So let's open. Okay, we got it open. Okay, here we just have the manuals and the charger and stuff. So we'll deal with this later. But let's actually start opening this. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And guys, if you look closely, it has my name on it. Oh my god. I don't think you have to Bluetooth this, so I'm just gonna try, and let's power it on. Okay guys, we powered it on. So, okay guys, we set up the iPad, and I will do a what's on my iPad video maybe later. So we have the case. So let's see the case. Oh my god, the case is beautiful. It's a flip case and the back is clear. So here we have the iPad. We have it all set up. And we are going to gently put this in the case. If I can. Snap it in there. Okay, we got it all in. And you can see through the back. And whenever you open it up, it turns on. And whenever you turn it, it turns off, see? So it's a pretty cool case. And now we have the AirPod case. This is how it looks like. So, let's open this up. Okay. Okay, so we're going to open it. Okay, we got it open. That was just a little bit of a struggle to open this, so. Here is the case. And you have to connect, put these in. So let's get my AirPods. This is the AirPod case. It's really cute. And it has some cute keychains, so yeah, I really like it. And yeah, that's the AirPod case. Okay guys, now one of the most exciting things, the tripod. Okay, so here is the box. It's a pretty big box. We're gonna have to have some help here. Okay, here is the tripod. There's a lot of things in that box. Well, not really, but you know. So let's open this up and take it out. Here it is. It's really nice. But I need to figure out how. Oh, there's another thing in it. So I think this is where you set the iPad like up on. So let's figure out how to connect this.
Twist it on.
Guys, we have the tripod set up. So this is the tripod. It's really nice, and you can like adjust the size, but I don't want to do that right now because I'm holding the iPad. So yeah, this is the tripod. Okay, guys, this is the end of this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed, but we have one more thing actually that I forgot. It is like a little thing, and it like a camera remote. So let's open this up.
Put your pen down.
Okay, so we have the remote. This is the remote. I don't know what this thing is. Okay guys, this is the next day and this is the end of this unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed, and probably like in a couple weeks maybe, or like, I don't know, sometime next week or this week, I will post what's on my iPad video. So yeah, that's all for this unboxing. Bye.